News to mark 1 year of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the Rajasthan Chief Minister decided to spread the awareness, and here's how she did it.
Here we are on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje leading by example. She wants that the hospitals in Rajasthan should be clean. So here you can see her, and this is leading by example. It's a symbolic exercise, of course, to convey exactly what should be done for Gandhi Jayanti. Ma'am, you've led by example in one sense. What's the idea behind it? 1 year of Swachh Bharat mission launched by your government.
The issue is habits. These are habits which are formed in childhood, in your family, and in society. Those habits have to get formed. People have to understand that keeping things clean should be a part of one's nature. And I think that's what we're trying to work towards. Because it's not possible. I mean, we can all, administration and everybody can clean once. Yes. But you have to get into the habit of being able to clean around you. If you can do that, then the city sparkles anyway. Because 2 lakh people clean just outside their homes. Then whatever work we have to do at administration, we do that. And that makes a difference to us. So today, as I said, I hope that Jaipur is looking very beautiful and pretty because we've started a new program there with making the city into an open-air gallery, art gallery. So let's see what happens.
So thank you very much. So that was Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje leading by example. You saw her holding out a broom and she made all the MLAs also do it. I have with me Princess Diya Kumari. Princess, we saw you also doing what your Chief Minister did. How important do you think it is for a leader to send a message?
It's very, very important. And of course, our Prime Minister has started this Swachhata Abhiyan, and of course, our Chief Minister very committed to it as well. I think civic sense is the most important component. I think it should be at a very young age instilled in all of us, especially the younger generation, and of course everyone. It's something you keep your homes clean, you keep your own self clean. Why not,
But I have noticed coming into Savai Madhopur that your constituency is actually looking a lot cleaner than it did last time. Have you actually deliberately made it a part of your MLA duties?
Absolutely. I think it's extremely important for MLAs, public representatives to keep doing it at not just totally. I mean, I think we need to do it constantly, all the time. It's something which is a consistent effort and starts from the grassroots level, from in the panchayats, in the city, Nagar Parishad, everywhere. All the buildings, if you see the hospital, we made so many changes in the last 1 year and we've really concentrated hard on it. Thanks so much.
So thank you very much. So that was an exercise by public representatives in Rajasthan. Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje and Diya Kumari, who is the MLA from Savai Madhopur, doing a spot of cleaning here because, as they said, they want to set an example, and it is 1 year of the BJP's Swachh Bharat. Back to you in the studio.